is equal to 5 by 2, the values of x. So we had taken y as x plus 1 by x. So for y is equal to minus 3, x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3, which implies x square plus 1 is equal to minus 3x, or x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is now a second degree equation in x or a quadratic equation in x. We can use either the quadratic formula or the midterm factorization to solve this equation. If we use the quadratic formula, we get x is equal to minus 3 plus minus under root b square will be 9 minus of 4 divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. So there is no restriction in this case that x has to be negative or positive. So we can take both the values of x. Next, for y is equal to 5 by 2, which was the other value which we had obtained, x plus 1 by x should be equal to 5 by 2. This upon simplification gives us x square plus 1 is equal to 5x by 2, which gives us 2x square plus 2 should be equal to 5x, which implies 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this can once again be solved by midterm factorization or by using the quadratic formula. So suppose we use the midterm factorization. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 can also be written as 4 into 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 is used here to solve this quadratic equation by midterm factorization. This now gives us 2x into x minus 2. We take 2x as the common factor from here, first two terms, minus of x minus 2 is equal to 0. This gives us 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives us x is equal to 1 by 2 and 2. So we have x is equal to 1 by 2 and 2 as the solution for the case y is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the values of x are x is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. So these are the four different values of x, and in this case we are getting all the four values of x as real. So now since this was a fourth degree equation, it could have a maximum of 4 roots, and out of those 4 roots we could have 4 real roots, 2 real roots or 2 imaginary roots, or all the 4 roots as imaginary. So in this case we are getting all the 4 roots as real roots. So with this we come to the end of the topic of quadratic equations and expressions. We have seen how to solve the quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula. We have seen the Wavy-Kahm method in this case. We have also seen how to find out the sum of roots and the product of roots. we have also seen how to frame a quadratic equation. We have seen what we can do if an nth degree equation is given to us. We have seen the various techniques to solve the combination of one or more quadratic equations. So that should be sufficient to have a brief idea of the topic of quadratic equation.